Queens and Kings, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to continue on with our spring cleaning series, and today I'm going to be cleaning up under my bathroom sink. So my bathroom sink is already small and doesn't really have a lot of storage space, so I'm going to try to declutter that space and maximize the potential space up under there. So as you can see, my hair is looking a mess. Been in this quarantine, got me looking like who did it and why. Cannot wait for this to be over so I can get something done to this hair of mine. But if you like videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you again. So this is my bathroom. As you can see, it's small. And I didn't do a spring clean on this because as you can tell, it's already small. So you already saw me struggling to clean the bathroom. But I already deep cleansed it. But I just got one more thing to do, which is under my counter. So as you can see, it's very small. So I always have to try to minimize my storage. And this is what it's looking like now. Cluttered. As you can see, I have several storage things to put my items in. So what I'm going to do today is declutter this area and try to maximize all the space in it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take everything out. Okay, so now we have everything cleaned out. What I'm going to do now is spray it down and clean up under there with some Clorox bleach spray. So now that I'm done wiping it down with Clorox, I'm about to get ready and organize the things to put in my containers. Let me show you my containers. I brought these from the Dollar Tree and I got 2 of them. And then plus you saw my storage bin. So these are all the things that I got to try to put in place. So let's get ready to organize it. So this is my makeup bin right here. As you can see, this is makeup, nail polish, etc. So I'm going to try to get it organized as much as possible and throw away a lot of stuff. with this drawer. About to move to my hair accessory drawer. As you can see, I keep all my brushes and combs and all those things in this drawer. Okay, done with that. Put everything back in there. I'm going to put some of my other products in these bins. This right here is my everyday makeup bag. I keep products that I wear on basically every day. I'm going to clean this out as well. This gets real dirty. Okay, next I'm going to clean out my little miscellaneous basket. I need to get one that's brown, but I don't have one, so. Normally I hold all my like facial cleansers in here that I've put in there. Alright, next we're going to do my sewing with my medical kit and sewing kit. I also have some makeup in this bag as well. Everything that was up under my sink, I've been able to minimize it all. Alright, so I'm going to take everything back and put it back up under the sink. As you look at the final product, everything is in their containers. Okay guys, I hope this gave you motivation to go ahead and declutter up under that sink, and I'll see you next time.